NBC29 forecast.
Another round of showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. Generally some lighter rain falling here in and around the Charlottesville area at this time, but we did have some bigger storms that developed earlier this afternoon. Let's go to the maps. And 73 currently at the Charlottesville Albemarle Airport. A light rain falling there. Currently in the Shenandoah Valley, some ongoing rain as well. You were hit with some heavier storms, some active severe weather for a time, isolated across Augusta County and Rockingham earlier, 68 rain-cooled degrees. Here's a review of the last several hours, and you can see how these storms originated out across the Alleghenies, worked into the Shenandoah Valley. They pulsed to some severe levels across the valley, and then as they continued east, still some heavy rainers and some heavier activity falling south of Charlottesville down through southern Albemarle. Some of the strongest storms now are across eastern Louisa County back into Goochland. Goochland currently under a warning there, but from Cuckoo down toward Jackson, you can see some of the storms here, some of the current lightning strikes, and then generally some light to moderate rain from Charlottesville down toward Scottsville, out toward Rockfish, and from Waynesboro to Stewart's Draft over to Crozet, generally some lighter rain currently falling. Now, a flash flood watch remains active through 10 o'clock tonight, reissued again tomorrow. It will remain with us through the midweek because we are going to deal with the remnants of the rain in association with Ida, now a tropical depression across Mississippi. So the showers and storms will fade away tonight. Areas of fog, temperatures either side of 70. More clouds will build in tomorrow. Most of us will hold numbers in the mid to upper 80s. Today we still managed into the low 90s in many spots before the storms developed. And then Wednesday, our most active days, we'll be dealing with the rain, some isolated severe weather in terms of potentially an isolated tornado or two in association with the remnants of Ida as it moves off to our north and west. And then a few showers could still be with us Thursday morning before we start to see some nice improvements by the end of the week and upcoming weekend, but temperatures will be trending downward. So again, tomorrow, a marginal risk for isolated severe weather is there, mainly for damaging wind gusts. The reason the isolated tornadoes are still included is because some of that moisture will be working up across southwest Virginia, but by Wednesday, a better opportunity area-wide, especially as that remnant low passes to our north and west up through West Virginia. And in terms of rainfall, just from really Wednesday alone, that could be 2 to 4+ inches, and some enhancement, as we know, along the Blue Ridge, the higher terrain. So Ida, a tropical depression now through western Mississippi, still producing heavy rain and some isolated tornadoes. It will be working up through the Tennessee River Valley. Then here we are Wednesday, and really Wednesday into Thursday morning, that's the opportunity for some of the heavy rain and potentially some isolated severe weather in terms of a spin-up isolated tornado. So there we go with Ida. You can see all this rain in association with the tropical system. It'll meet up with a frontal boundary that's also closing in on the mid-Atlantic. That's why it's generating some of the showers and thunderstorms we're seeing this afternoon. So things will quiet down here tonight, and then tomorrow a lot more cloud cover will build in. Can't rule out some storms, but it really looks like Wednesday is going to be our best opportunity throughout the course of the day. And again, some of these heavier rains and some severe weather will be possible. Temperatures here on Wednesday holding in the 70s. So tonight, either side of 70, showers and storms fade away. Some areas of fog. There's a look at the Michael and Sutton 7-day forecast. Remain weather aware here through the midweek as we watch the moisture and remnant low in association with Ida work across the mid-Atlantic here on Wednesday. Temperatures by the end of the week, Steve, will be much more pleasant as we see basically those numbers in the low 80s and a big drop off in the humidity.